In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API key to HubSpot. Let's dive right in and get this set up efficiently and effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. This is the starting point for accessing all of HubSpot's tools and features. Once there, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login option. Click on that to proceed to the next step. Upon clicking login, you'll be presented with different sign-in options. To make things simpler, if you're using a Google account, click on Sign in with Google and select the account you'd like to use. This will sync your Google credentials, making the login process seamless and more secure. After you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left panel of the HubSpot interface. Here, find and click on the Developer section. It's your gateway to accessing all the developer tools HubSpot provides, including creating and managing API keys. Now, while you're in the Developer section, look for the option that says Keys. Go ahead and click on this. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you'll manage API keys that connect various integrations to your HubSpot account. Moving forward, search for the Developer API Key option. Click on it. You're getting closer to creating that API key. This section is tailor-made for accessing and creating keys that your integrations will need. Next, you'll see an option to Create Key. Hit that button, and the interface will guide you through the key creation process. Here's a tip. Consider naming your key based on its intended use to make management easier later on. Once your key is created, you'll see a Show option. Click on it to reveal the API key generated just for you. Remember that this key is crucial for integrations, so handle it with care. Finally, your last step is to click on Copy. By doing this, you'll have the API key copied to your clipboard, ready to be integrated wherever it's needed. Be sure to save this key securely, as it acts like a password to access your HubSpot data through third-party applications. And that's all there is to it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've generated an API key for HubSpot. Remember, API keys are powerful tools that need to be managed with care. Use them wisely to ensure the security and efficiency of your integrations. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.